let me grab this box here. Yep, yeah, go for it, go for it. Oh. Hello, hello, everybody. How are we all doing? Good. How are you? How many of you? Show of hands. How many of you have already signed up for the GitHub Student Developer Pack? How many of you haven't? Well, while we're waiting for the next 6 minutes, it's a good opportunity to do that. Do I have a link to it? I'll just put it up on the board. There's no whiteboard. I can't draw on a whiteboard. I'll put it in the Ask MLH channel on Discord. So go there and find the link. Also, actually, I'm just going to copy and paste the 2 links that I have here, because there's also a sign up that you need to do, and that'll give you access to the resources. So I'll place that in the channel along with the Hackpack link. But yeah, at the end of everything, I'll be handing out stickers and T-shirts, and you need to be signed in to get access to that. And so register there, check in, get the Student Developer Pack. I believe in you. You got this. I have faith. No, there should be a sign up for the Student Developer Pack, and then once you get that, then I'll show you how to activate GitHub Copilot.
My application was accepted, but then
yep.
I can't access it yet.
Yeah, I'll show you how to do that.
Okay.
I'll show you all that.
All right, thanks.
And for anybody, nobody's on YouTube right now, but if you were on YouTube, then go look at the Ask MLH channel. If you're just now joining us, I posted 2 links and hashtag AskMLH. Go sign up for those things. How's everyone's RowdyHacks so far? I know you're like only a couple hours in. Everyone have a cool idea for their project? Or no idea whatsoever? I mean, that's the fun of it. Yo. The verification. Yeah. Mm-hmm. There's nothing I can do to make it go faster, but you can still follow along and like. It's silly. Anyway, but like, it should get approved pretty soon. If it doesn't, then you can still follow along, and I still have like stickers and everything for you and everything. But like, I'll post the slides afterwards, and like the slides are basically a tutorial to like walk through it. So if you can't follow along right now, you can still follow along after. Yep. Yeah. Yeah. They're weird with their like student verification sometimes. Yeah, because I mean, Yeah, the ASU ones because I'm from ASU, we don't have dates on ours either. So I have to like take a photo of my transcript or something, and it gets weird. Yeah. Mhm. Yeah. Yeah, it should be. I mean, that's basically what I did when I applied for mine. Mhm. All right. Hello, hello, everybody.
I'm just gonna quickly cut this off real quick.
Okay, cool.
Did you want to sit? Or
No, I won't be sitting. I'll be walking around. I will not be sitting. Also, I don't know what that warning is there. The warning, the stream's bit rate is lower than the recorded record. Oh, whatever. Eh.
this room is done differently than the other one.
AV all fun.
Also, just keep in mind that that mic isn't active and live, so if
Oh yeah, I know.
talking, yeah, they're gonna get picked up.
I'm saying only good things.
So not just your mic, but the audience mic too. So
Oh, the audience mic? Oh, sweet.
yeah, the audience mic is live at all times. When you're not talking, it's gonna pick up.
Cool.
So.
All right. I love it.
All right.
Welcome, welcome. Try to find a seat. If not, find a place to be on your laptop, kind of in your hand. There's only so many chairs. Make friends. Yeah. I'll be fine. I'll be done by then. Yeah, no worries. I use OBS all the time. We're good. Reasonably so. No worries. No worries. I'm a professional. All right. It is a little after 2. How are we all doing today? How's everyone feeling? Super rowdy? RowdyHacks? All right, awesome. So this is the GitHub Copilot mini event. It's an opportunity for you to get started with GitHub Copilot, learn about its capabilities, and have lots of fun doing it. Show of hands if you have not yet signed up for the GitHub Student Developer Pack. So I posted a link in the Discord in the Ask MLH channel. Go do that, because if you don't, then you won't be able to follow along, and that will be not fun. It might take a little bit to like activate, so you might not be able to follow along anyway, but at the very least, by the end of the workshop, maybe an hour or so, it takes a little bit to verify, you will have access to Copilot. But I'll still walk you through how to use it, and then from there, I will post the slides, so that way you can follow along afterwards. The other link in there, the one that's for the check-in, please register for this event, because that'll send you some resources to your email. And it's also what I'll be doing at the end, because I got some T-shirts and some stickers here, and I'll be asking, hey, can you show me your check-in? And then I will give you a T-shirt. So if you don't check in, then that would be really unfortunate, because then you don't get a sticker or a T-shirt, and nobody wants that. OK, so let's get started. In case you missed me at opening ceremony, hi, I'm Paul. I'm a coach at Major League Hacking. I launch balloons that have telescopes on them. Yeah, I do weird stuff. So, wow, that is not readable in the slightest. Can I dim some lights? Yeah, I mean, at least it's not going on and off and on and off. Welcome, welcome. If you're watching, the lights are currently being dimmed. Yeah, perfect. A little bit better. All right, so welcome. This is GitHub Copilot. It basically helps you do things faster. Code all your projects super fast, and it's kind of like a chatbot, but instead of it just being able to chat with it, it helps autocomplete your code and helps make your project faster. So, first question that we're going to go over, we're going to kind of break this down. Why use Copilot, or what is Copilot, and why you should use it. Second, we're going to help you get set up on GitHub Copilot. We're going to be using Visual Studio Code and the GitHub Copilot extension for that. And then third, we're going to actually show you how to use GitHub Copilot. And we're going to do a little interactive tutorial to show you some of the features and what you can do with it. So, what is GitHub Copilot? GitHub Copilot is an AI pair programmer that helps you write, debug, and understand code. Basically, you can show it some code. It'll tell you how it works. You can debug some stuff. If you're like, I have this error message. I don't know what it does. And it'll help you figure that out. It can even explain stuff and show, like, here's a block of code. I don't know what it is. I copied it off Stack Overflow and have no clue. It'll help you learn what's going on there so you can understand the code that you're trying to write. And why use GitHub Copilot? When using GitHub Copilot, programmers are 55% faster at coding. And so this is a weird metric, but think of it like this. If you have 24 hours to build something and you're 55% faster, then you actually have 37 hours of coding that you managed to do in only 24 hours of time. So it makes your time as a programmer even more efficient. So now we're going to set up some Copilot. Very first question, what text editor is best? Does anyone have any opinions? Strong opinions.
Windows Notepad.
Windows Notepad, love it. Any other strong opinions? Notepad++. Ooh, we got a fight here. Anybody use Vim?
I'm trying to learn Vim.
I'm proud of you. Anyone use Emacs? Yeah, I didn't think so. It's Nano. You see, you can put the knives away. Like, it doesn't really matter what text editor you use. GitHub Copilot kind of lives wherever you write your code. It's not like a website you need to go to and go paste your code back and forth. It lives where you code, which is super convenient, so that way you don't need to figure out how to get everything integrated. It lives where you're writing. But for this, we are going to be using Visual Studio Code because I had to pick one. I know, I'm sorry if you don't like that. If you don't have it already downloaded, then go to that link right there and go ahead and download it. And then we'll go through getting that all installed and everything. When you have it all downloaded, I'll give some people a little bit of time. In the meantime, anyone have some fun jokes? Fun joke. Yo.
Is this going to fight, like if I have Codium installed, Copilot, and they get along with it?
I have no clue. But there's probably extensions that you can just like enable and disable. So like if they do fight, you can just disable one, enable the other, that sort of thing. They might fight. It might be fun to watch them fight too.
Do chatbots fight?
Exactly. All right. Anybody still downloading VS Code? Take your time. I'm going to very quickly. Oop. Yo.
If it says that I've already been approved,
Yep.
then I'm good. I don't have to
Yeah. So if you already have the student developer pack and it's approved, you're good to go. I'll show you how to enable Copilot to your account. All right. Everyone good to move on? OK. So I'm going to open up VS Code. We're going to install the Copilot extension. So I'm going to open up the command palette. Let me open up. There we go. For that little key command, here, I'm going to zoom in a bunch so everyone can see it. You can type in install extensions. Install extensions. Copilot. Reload required. I already have it installed, so I don't need to install it, but you might not have it installed. So you go here, you type in, you click install, and it will install the extension for you. Give everyone a moment to do that. Yeah. Do you need chat? You can install both. The chat just kind of like opens up a thing on the side for you to use, but Copilot's the main thing that I'll be showing you how to work with. And if anybody needs help at any time, this is kind of like an interactive workshop, so you can raise your hand. I'll walk around and help people figure stuff out. I want to make sure that like I don't lose anybody. We got time. I don't plan on trying to like speed through. Yo. Yeah. So you can either go to the top, go to actually no. You can go to the side here and click the little blocks thing. That'll open up extensions. The sides aren't showing up. Here, let me take a look. Okay. Hit is it Control Shift P? All right. If you hit Control Shift P, it'll open up a little command bar, and then you can type in extensions, and that'll open up the install install extensions. Here, let me close that out for you. Control Shift P. Or, whoops. Extensions, install extensions there. And then type in GitHub Copilot, install it. Anybody else having difficulties? Yo, yeah. Yeah, I'll help you in a second.
A link to the GitHub student developer packet takes me to.
Yeah.
Is that supposed to happen?
Yeah, and it looks like you already have it.
Oh, really?
Yep.
Okay. All right.
Yeah, and you have VS Code and everything installed?
Yeah.
Cool. What's up?
Appreciate it.
Yeah, it's telling me it's not compatible with the current version on my computer.
Then you're going to need to update VS Code. So, yep, there should be a update, or it's downloading the update right now. But yeah, once it's updated, then you should be able to then install the extension. Mm-hmm. Yo.
So it says that there's two.
Yeah, install both.
Okay. It's saying that kind of updated, but its name is
What's up?
not updated.
Where do you have VS Code installed?
I had it downloaded here, and I just moved it here. It was in my downloads, but I just moved it.
Move it to your applications. Yeah, and then reopen it. All right. Anybody else need help with something? I see some more hands. Yo.
I downloaded the extension fine, but it's asking for GitHub.
Yeah. Do you have a GitHub account?
Yes, but it doesn't show the URL.
What do you mean?
Because whenever I go to get it, it's blank.
It's whatever your username is for GitHub. Yeah. Mm-hmm. Yep. Yeah. Then show it like a photo of your like transcript or like your schedule that has like what semester it is that you're in.
He's got the same exact problem.
Yep. Yes, like show it like it's easier to do on your phone because then you can take a photo of your computer screen, but like pull up like your schedule or something like that. If you're having difficulties getting the student developer pack because it's asking for something that has a date on it and your IDs don't have dates on it, then use your phone to sign up for it and take a photo of like your schedule or your transcript or something that shows dates. I know a couple people managed to get it to work.
Mine just said I have to wait 5 days for approval.
It shouldn't take 5 days. It should not take 5 days. It might, but in theory, the link that we gave you expedites that process. So.
And then on this, I've got it installed, but we have to activate it somehow before.
Yeah,
it's gonna show
and I'll show you how to activate it. That's the next step. All right, anybody else?
So your my UTSA account and go and
Anybody else? Okay, cool. we'll keep going then. Let me rearrange. All right, cool. So we installed the extension. We searched for Copilot. We selected install. All right. So now here's the fun part. It's going to cost $10 a month for you to use. So everyone get out your wallets and give them to me. Just kidding. You have the GitHub Student Developer Pack, which makes it free for all students. So you do not have to pay $10 a month for this. It is completely free for you to use as a student, which is super awesome. If you haven't already signed up, that's the link that I've been posting everywhere. Hackpack/pack. And gives you dozens of tools on top of GitHub Student Developer, or on top of Copilot. So there's tons of resources for you to use, and it gives you access to all of them just for being a student. So one of the first things that I'm going to have y'all do, let's see, they have notes here. Yeah, whatever. You will need to activate GitHub Copilot on your account. So, I will post a link, but you're going to go to your GitHub here. This is my GitHub. You're going to click this on the side. You're going to click your Copilot. And then for me, it's going to say, hey, you already have Copilot set up. But if you don't have Copilot set up, then it will have a thing that says activate Copilot. Yes? Yeah. So to activate Copilot, go to GitHub, click on your face in the corner or your icon or whatever, and then click on your Copilot, and then there should be an activation thing there if you have the Student Developer Pack. Yeah. What's up?
The authentication for like the proof of student, like the schedule thing doesn't work. It's asking for, this is what it tells me to do. Every single time I try to upload something.
Yeah. Okay. So it wants you to set up two-factor authentication on your account, and then after that, then you can try doing the verification for that. Yeah. Yep. 1 second. Okay. You're.
Will be available soon, but then when I go to like
Go to your GitHub profile. Click that. Copilot.
so it's still just like
Maybe try like. Yeah, it might be a little delay or something like that.
I mean, I could just do the trial and then within 10 days, hopefully the benefits.
Yeah. Is it also showing you that? Okay, let me. You mind if I like just try it real quick? Just play around with it. I'm gonna see if I can get around the 30-day free trial thing that it keeps trying to pull up. But Backpack. You're approved. Your benefits will be available soon. And then, yeah. Benefits. Let's go here.
That's literally the page. Yeah.
Oh my gosh.
Or I wonder, what about here?
Benefit application. Oh, it's because it hasn't fully like propagated yet. That makes sense. Your benefits. Yeah. Oh my gosh.
How do we get around the $10?
You've already spent.
Yeah.
How do we get around the $10?
All right. Okay.
I might have to do the free thing.
Yeah, yeah.
Remember to cancel. Yeah.
Okay. So.
Asking for like a 30-day free trial.
Yeah. So if it's asking for a 30-day free trial, what it means is that if you have the Student Developer Pack, but it's still asking for the trial, it takes a bit for them to like activate the benefits for the Student Developer Pack for your account. What we can do is I'll keep going and showing you how to use it, and then in like the next hour or two, it should activate those benefits and then get them to your account. If not, I will send emails and see what I can do to expedite any process. But yeah, if you're seeing that's like the start your 30-day free trial thing, that's not, that shouldn't be showing you that. It should be saying like, oh, you're a student, cool. But it's not. Does anybody have it? Did anybody manage to get it working? In the back, I saw a hand.
Are we on the pair section already?
What's up?
Oh,
Oh yeah, you got it working. I see. Yeah.
no, I think like the issue is some people might have like using their actual account, and then when they try pairing it, or like they can't pair it to their UTSA email. Maybe because
Oh.
they made their own account with that UTSA email.
Gotcha. Yeah. Yeah, it's messy sometimes.
If you can, like,
Yeah.
if you haven't used your school one to make an account, you could pair the school one with the account you're using.
Yeah. This was just suggested. If you haven't paired your GitHub account with your student account, with your like your EDU email, you could do that, and it helps fix the process.
This is my second account.
Yeah.
Yeah, that one should probably let you get the Copilot.
Mm-hmm.
How did you pair?
Oh snap! I'm trying to go.
Okay. All right.
Let me go to one of these.
Okay. Let's see. You have a question?
Yeah, I already like submitted my application, but I think I've like done it wrong because I accidentally submitted my student ID instead of my transcript.
Gotcha.
Yeah. What would that affect anything?
So if you go to your Copilot, what does it say? This is
Pretty
Can you go to the Hackpack link again?
It says I can't sign up because there's like a wait period.
Gotcha. Well, it says
I already approved.
It says approved there, and then.
Verified as of.
So it might just take a little bit for them to add the benefits to your account.
It's gonna be like,
Yo.
I don't know if I like download it correctly. So like it still says try Copilot.
Yeah. Can you go to your GitHub account? And so you submitted it, you got approved, and if you go to now, if you scroll up to the top, click on your profile. Now click that again. And go to your Copilot. Cool. Yep. You're all set up. So yeah. Next thing, you're going to click that Visual Studio Code. So if you are set up and you see the page that says like get connected with Visual Studio Code, then you're going to go there. You're going to scroll down to the thing. It's going to say install this. Click the GitHub Copilot extension. Hit install there, and then it should just open up that and get you signed in. All right, cool. And now if you click that little guy there. Yeah, ready. All right, cool. Yep.
So it shows me that I think
Yep. Click that. Go to your Copilot.
it showed me that I got accepted.
Yeah, it takes a little bit for the benefits to get added to your account.
All right.
Yeah.
Okay.
So you're accepted, but it doesn't yet have the benefits for your account.
Oh, okay.
So we have a couple of people that have the benefits added. If a couple of people that haven't, it takes a bit for GitHub to update its servers to figure out that sort of stuff. Yo.
So I had a quick question. So I submitted in 2021.
Yep.
And was approved, but it still was showing me the that page for the 30-day free trial.
I think that it needs to get re-approved every couple years. So you might need to reapply for it because submit one request. If you scroll down, or actually scroll back up, it should be there.
Oh, this page.
Yeah, click that. Go to re-verify your academic affiliation,
Okay.
and I think it takes you to the same page, but you can resubmit
Do
it.
it again?
Yeah,
Okay.
because I think like every 2 years you need to reapply.
Yeah. Okay, cool. Thank you.
All right, anybody else? Okay, cool. If you can follow along, awesome. If you can't, I still will post all the slides and everything, so that way you'll have access to all the stuff. What I've been showing is you go here, you click on the Copilot extension, you install it, and I believe that will then open it up here and make sure it's linked with your thing. And if you click the little guy here and it says ready, then that means that it's properly linked to your account. And you are good to play around with Copilot. So, we're going to, I know how to do this. I don't need the slides anymore. We're going to go over here. What the? What was that? I literally have nothing open. Like, it's a fascinating feature. No idea what that was. All right, so I'm going to clone a new repo. So I'm going to hit clone repo. The repo that I'm going to clone is MLH Copilot Starter. So, yep, I'm going to clone a new repository. And I'm going to do that by going here, hitting clone repository, and then do mlh/copilot-starter. I'm going to clone that. We're going to clone it into my projects, I guess. Would you like to clone it? Open. All right. So I have cloned the repository. You can still follow along for this part, and this will like help you get set up later. Everyone able to clone it? Need me to show that again, slower, that sort of stuff? Yes, please. Yep. Okay. So what I'm going to do is here. I'll close it out and everything. File, new window. Yep. So in the side here, I can click this little folders thing. If you don't have that there, you can do file. Actually, we'll do Command Shift P or Control Shift P if you're on Windows. You're going to type in git clone. So if I type in git clone, the very first one there, git clone, and then I'm going to type in MLH/Copilot Starter. And then it'll ask where you want to clone it, all that sort of stuff. What's up? It's a front slash, or whichever one, the one that slides that direction is. Yep, git spacebar clone in the command prompt. If you don't know how to open it, the person next to you might be able to help you. Or I can help you. All right. Everybody, anybody need help getting it cloned? Yeah, sure. No friendo left behind here. Okay. So, okay, you're going to git clone. Here, I'm just going to hit cancel that. Wait, why did if you don't have the GitHub.
Familiar with this?
No, it's fine. Git. I don't. Oh, interesting. Deprecated use the GitHub. No, that's weird. Oh, you need Git for Windows.
Oh.
That's why. Yep, there we go. If you don't have Git for Windows, click the. If you don't have the ability to Git clone something, you can click this little icon right here, and it will show you Git for Windows, or like download Git, and you're going to need Git installed on your computer in order to clone something. All right. Anybody else? Yes. Yeah. Here, let me take a look. So you're going to need download Git for Windows there. Click that, download Git, and then from there it might have you restart and reopen it. But yeah, download it, get it installed, and then it should work. All right, anybody else? Yo, I got a couple of other people. If you have a friend next to you that has figured it out, you can ask them for help.
So when I try to come from a URL and
Yep.
try to put my repository in, say, here, it just gives an error.
MLH/Copilot-starter. I'm going to take a look real quick. Sorry. Let's take a look. Show command output.
I try to think it's in my actual computer.
Oh, maybe you do need the backslash. Let's try the other way around. Whoops. File. Control Shift B. Clone from GitHub. Or Copilot start. All right, now try that.
So what exact picture do you have to upload for it to work?
Usually like a photo of your transcript.
Really?
Yeah, yeah. Open, just hit open. Perfect, awesome. Yep.
You show her, she'll show.
Cool. All right. Yeah, what's up?
It says it doesn't exist, so like when I put it,
Clone from GitHub.
should I finish?
Yeah, click that first. If it says it doesn't exist, hit clone from GitHub and then type in the URL first. You might need to, you might need to add GitHub to your VS Code first. Yeah.
And now it should work.
Yep.
So just do it. And then it was MLH.
Well, click clone from GitHub there. And now type in MLH / Copilot starter. You might need to verify your account first. I think it was trying to confirm.
Oh,
I think it's like trying to do like a two-factor.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. Mm-hmm.
Which section was it?
Copilot.
Well, I got Copilot.
Oh, yeah. To clone it?
Yeah, because when I go to, I should say,
Yeah.
Git repository. I'll have
Yep, clone Git repository.
Okay, and then I type that one in.
Yep. Clone from GitHub.
Oh, okay, it comes in. Okay.
Yep. And you might need to add GitHub to your account first. So authorize that. And now type in MLH / Copilot starter. Yep.
Thank you.
Perfect.
It's the first one?
Yeah.
To be honest, I didn't know how to find it at all.
It's okay. It's okay. That's why we're here. All right. So you're going to go here. Yep. Or let's go here, actually. So you need to download Git from Windows first.
Okay.
So once you get Git from Windows installed, then you'll be able to follow along. Mm-hmm. Yeah. Clone repo. Clone from GitHub. You're going to need to allow the extension, so you need to link the two. I don't know what music is playing.
I think I got it.
What's crazy is that's not coming from my computer. Yeah.
Are they still doing song requests?
Maybe. Oh, that's probably it, actually. They probably 100% have the music going. Yeah. So click that guy right there. That one, yep. I don't know why it's playing. Here, let's go here. Let's go clone repository. Why is it? Oh, there it is. Clone repository. Click that. Why is it? Oh, I think you're offline right now. Looks like it's offline. Yeah, are you connected to the internet? Here, I'm gonna figure out what's up with the music that's currently playing. 1 second. No idea why music is playing, but I'm gonna mute something.
Did you have building information?
I haven't the slightest clue why that's going. I'm going to guess it's something to do with one of these things here. Oh. Never mind. All right.
By the way, if y'all haven't seen, there's a scavenger hunt. Sorry.
All right. So, yeah. Clone from GitHub. Yeah, clone from GitHub, and then you can clone the repo. I'm going to very quickly walk through the rest of this And then I'm going to kind of breeze through it, and then if anybody wants to stick around, and I will walk you through all the stuff. I just want to make sure that we get through this all so we don't waste a bunch of time. So first things first, we have a little Flask app here. You can kind of take a look at it, and you can try to figure out what it does. Or you can use GitHub Copilot here, and I can type in, hit Command-I, which will open up Copilot. I type in explain, and then /explain. Sure, it seems like you're working on a project that involves pip and Python. Let me explain what's going on. Pip's a manager for all that stuff. Python is that, and it's giving me a bunch of information about what Python is, but sometimes you just need to get prompted a little bit more, so let me quickly go look. So the beautiful thing about generative AI is sometimes it gives you really silly answers and doesn't actually work sometimes, which is lovely. If I highlight all the code and hit explain, all right, cool. Now it says the provided Python code is a simple Flask application that returns the number of seconds since the epoch, January 1st, 1970. And then it goes line by line and explains, I import something from Flask, I import the time library, I make an app that it has the name from the command line. I then have a function, second since epoch. And then I make a route, and it explains that a route is a decorator that Flask uses. And it explains all of this, and you can go through and read through and see how this works. If you've never worked with Flask, it's a super useful resource. If you found this code online, you can now learn about how it works. So we're going to try running it. So I'm going to go open up here, conda activate. You're going to need to install some libraries. So first thing you're going to do is you're going to open up the terminal. So the way that I always open the terminal is I hit Control-Shift-P, create terminal, create new terminal. All right. And then from here, I'm going to need to install the libraries. So I'll do pip install -r requirements. There's a requirements.txt file that explains what the requirements are for this project. I will install it. All right. So I'm going to install it. It installs everything I need. And then I type in python app.py. I run it. Whoops. Python-m flask run debug is what you run to run all the things. So you shouldn't have this problem. My Python is all sorts of messed up, which I ignore all this nonsense that I'm typing in. OK, cool. Hey, look, it worked. And your Python installs are hopefully not as messed up as mine. So now we have a little bit of code running here. And I can go open it up, and I get this beautiful, beautiful website. Isn't it great how, like, with those few lines of codes, you just get this lovely website? Look at all this UI and everything. It's fantastic. Obviously, that's not what we want to see. That's actually a bug in our code. And I have no idea how to fix it. I don't know if anyone else did. Anyone? Any ideas? Any ideas as to why there's a bug? Nope. It says type error. I don't know what that could be. But we can go here and type in /fix type error. And to fix the type error, I would modify the seconds function to return a string representative of the second since epoch instead of an integer. OK, sure. So it looks like it wanted a string to return the seconds instead of an integer. So now it automatically did that. So you can see the line it changed there. It changed it to string instead of int. And now if I refresh the page, hey, we now have a nice, fancy single line of the number of seconds since epoch. And you can keep refreshing it, and it shows all that. And so that's obviously a very simple bug that it fixed, but it can be a lot more complicated than that in terms of bugs that it can handle. And it can definitely help speed things up when things are broken. But let's say we want to add more stuff to this. So we already had an idea of how we want to, oops, giant zoomed in screen is fun to work with. So I can type in add a route to return the minutes since epoch. So I want to have my site work out a little bit more. It wrote a little bit of code here, so define minutes since epoch, all that stuff there. I can hit chirp, that looks good. Hit save, although it needed to be tabbed over. That was my mistake there. See, it's not always perfect because it is generative AI that sometimes has flaws, which is, why you're the programmer and you learn to recognize what things are going wrong. So I'll save that. We now have a /minutes. So I'm going to go to here, /minutes. And hey, now we have the minutes since epoch. And we didn't have to actually write any code. We were able to just type in, add this added functionality to our system. Let's see. We can also do things a little bit without using like the little command I to write stuff. I can just start typing. So let's say I wanted to do hours. At app.routeHours. Hey, it kind of figured out, I have minutes, I have seconds, I have minutes. You probably want an hours. But what is that going to look like? Oh, it's probably going to look like something like this. So I hit tab, and it auto-completed all of that for me. This is off script, but like I was doing stuff for the balloon stuff that I do with the telescopes. I was writing a function to interface with some hardware, and I wrote the write function, and I didn't write the read function, and I started writing the read function, and it filled out like 20 lines of code that were all correct on how to read the hardware. And I was very impressed. But yeah, you can see it just auto-completes the thing. It's super helpful if like you're starting something and you're like, I don't know how to do this, but I have an idea. You can tab and it'll auto-complete things. And you can see here, if I type in /hours now, it shows the hours. But as a warning, Copilot makes errors. As you saw, sometimes it just doesn't do things properly. It is still generative AI. You do need to understand kind of an idea of what's going on, but that's the beauty of it. It helps you get like 80% of the way there, and then it's up to you to pick up where it left off. So add Copilot to your team, help it make some awesome stuff. You get a top secret 5th teammate, and yeah. Here's some additional resources that I'll leave up. And in the meantime, I'll walk around, and if you have any questions or anything, please hail me down. And then once we're kind of wrapping up, I'll have a bunch of stickers and T-shirts that I'll be handing out. Make sure you checked in for this event, because I'll ask you to show me your check-in, and then I will use that as your ticket out of here to get the sticker. Yep. Yeah, I have my own check-in system. I have my own check-in system. Okay, all right, I'll be walking around, helping out people. Yeah. How are you checked in? There's a link in the Ask MLH channel. It's like for an event. Okay. Sign up for that event and then register, check yourself in.
I missed the thing where, let's see, how do I get this, Flask module or something?
Yep. You're going to do pip install.
Right here?
Yep.
Okay. Install.
-R. And the requirements.
Oh, just literally
requirements. Hit tab and it'll autocomplete the file. Requirements.txt. Yep.
Oh, okay, neat.
And that'll install all the requirements you need.
Okay, sweet.
And ooh.
Do that.
So I'm gonna find the file specified. Something here. Sometimes Python. Oh, so sorry.
No, you're good.
Is it user install? Is it like?
I'm not a CS major, so it's like
It's
I
all
install
good.
this stuff, and then you're like, oh, a year later, maybe I should look at this again, and that's it.
All right. Well, it did at that time. I don't know what changed.
Yeah,
And now, if you do the that Python or dash m flask run. Oh.
I don't know. But what was cool is
Yeah.
this followed along with how
Yeah.
Flask working.
Yeah,
so
you're not going to see it like live running, but hey,
Right, yeah.
you can actually probably even ask like, hey, how do I deploy this thing? And it might even tell you how to deploy it.
Yeah.
Mhm.
That's cool. So thanks.
Yeah.
So I tried using my second account. That's
Yep.
that's on my UTSA account.
Okay.
And it says that I have to re-verify everything.
Yep.
So it says that I have to secure and complete my payment.
Yeah, you need to like enable two-factor authentication on your accounts and everything.
So how do I do that?
It should be in your settings.
Settings. Okay.
Yeah, or I think actually one of those was probably a link, like the thing that yelled at you. Yeah, click that, and then enable that.
On the website. That's on the website.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, the one that.
How to what? Yeah. So you're gonna go here. You're gonna actually go here.
Okay. It's okay. I'm running a very.
Control Shift P, or Command Shift P. Type in git clone.
Oh yeah, I did.
Okay, yeah. And so then sorry, so what is this?
Git space clone.
Okay.
All right. Enter. Clone from GitHub.
Okay, no worries. Yeah.
And then it's gonna try to link it to your account.
No.
Do that.
For doing all the work faster or something or like.
And then you can type in MLH slash copilot starter. Yeah, there you go. Yeah, pick where you want to clone it to. Yep, and then open. Cool. Awesome. All right. Anybody else? Yo.
So I did this thing.
Yep.
And then after that, you say you.
Yeah. When we leave and everything, I'll like check people out and get stickers to people. Okay, gotcha. Anybody else have questions? You have a question, or you're doing that? Okay, got it. All right.
We signed in or
Other core dino.
when will you be?
Yep.
Where will this be shared?
I'll put it in the Ask MLH channel. Yeah. Anybody else have questions? Need help with something? Yep. Oh, you have one as well. Okay, I'll make my way around. I'm gonna help them first, and then I'll swing by. Yo. Okay, let me take a look here. There's something up with your installation. I'm gonna close VS Code and reopen it. Visual Studio Code open. Need to sign into GitHub here. I'm gonna authorize that. Okay, open. You are authenticated here. Now you need to sign up for the Copilot stuff, but as far as the clone goes, you can. I don't know why your clone isn't like. Actually, is it? You might need to update Visual Code. Check for updates. Oh, I see what's going on. I know what's going on. Did you just install Visual Code?
No.
Where is your Visual Code located? Like, where did you install it to? Because I think it's in like a read-only file, which is why I'm not able to do anything.
I'm not able to find it here. Like.
So, here I got you. Visual Studio Code. I'm gonna do this. I'm just gonna like. It might be in like your downloads. All right, I'm going to drag out your applications here. And now, I'm going to close it and reopen it. is it seems like your VS Code is like installed in a place that it doesn't have write access to. You can only read from. And so when it tries to do an update, it's not able to do that update. Although right now it says downloading update. So it seems like it's downloading that update right now. And then once you're downloaded the update, then you should be able to clone repos.
All right. Thank you.
Yep. All right. And you had a question? Hmm? You have Python installed on your computer?
Yep.
How do you normally use Python?
Intelligent, I use it to, just so more people.
Gotcha. Because you probably need to like set up your if I type it, which so for this you're going to need to install Python in a way that it's accessible by PowerShell. So if you like look up like how to get Python in PowerShell, it might just be like linking something to your Python library.
Okay.
You don't need to accomplish finish all this stuff to like get VS Code work or get the stuff. And you might be able to, and there's also extensions for IntelliJ with Copilot, so you can try that and then. Did you have code open?
I mean, do you have to write something out for it?
Yeah, I mean you could type it. You could like just type in a hello world or something and see if it does something. Yeah. So yeah, it's a little bit of a different interface. Yeah. Yeah. Yes, after this. All right. So I'm going to start handing out the T-shirts and stuff. I believe. Are you almost done checking in the RowdyHacks people? Okay. Once you're done with that, then we'll start doing this. Yeah. What I'll be looking for is oops, not that one, this one. You can see. I'm looking for this page once we're all done, then it's going to say you are checked in. Yeah, works it. Open it and then click check in, basically. Yeah, as long as it says you're checked in, you're good. If you've already gotten scanned by them, you can start lining up here-ish along this, and we'll kind of figure something out. Run, I know. Okay. So I have stickers, and I got T-shirts.
Yes.
What sticker would you like?
Oh, that one.
One of these. And what size T-shirt? We have
I'll do a.
extra small to double XL in women's and unisex.
Can I see a women's medium?
Women's medium? Sure. Women's medium.
Perfect. Thank you.
All right, perfect. Pick a sticker.
Is that like code or something?
No, it's the GitHub Copilot.
Oh.
It's the little guy.
Oh, I like this one.
Yeah. And then
2x.
2XL. 2XL.
Thank you.
And unisex? Yeah. Okay, cool. All right, take a sticker.
Oh, okay.
It's a hard choice, I know. And then what size shirt? And women's or unisex?
Unisex, please.
Okay. Large unisex. Extra large. Large. There we go.
Thank you.
All right, awesome. Perfect, perfect. Take a sticker. And what size shirt and style?
Unisex medium.
Unisex medium. Got it. Okay, women's medium. Small. I should have sorted these ahead of time. Oh boy, there they are. Cool. Perfect, perfect. Take a sticker, and what size and style? Unisex small. Got it. Women small, women small. Unisex small. There we go. I do need to see it.
Okay. Shit. Well, then you go.
Yeah.
What
The check-in page.
I can do it real quick.
is it check-in?
Yeah.
Looking for?
It's this thing. Yeah. Yes.
Men's extra large.
Men's XL. Unisex XL, and then grab a sticker.
Thank you.
Mm-hmm. All right. Checked in. Take a sticker and size and style. Unisex. Okay.
Thank you.
Perfect. Perfect. Take a sticker. Size and style of shirt.
A large and style.
Unisex or women's?
Women's.
Women's large. Got it. Extra small. Women's large. There we go. Okay, cool.
Hi there.
Hello.
Unisex medium, please.
Unisex medium. All right, and take a sticker.
Appreciate
Okay,
it.
perfect. All right.
Alright, where do I go for that?
That's the link that I put in the Discord.
Because this is where it took me.
So go back to the Discord, and then you should be able to register for the event.
Because I registered and then this is what I gave.
That's to make an account, and now you need to go register for the event with the account you made.
I could have sworn I did it, but
No worries. All right, take a sticker. It's a hard choice, I know. And what size and style?
large, please. Uni.
Unisex large. Got it. Cool.
Thank you so much.
All right. Take a sticker.
Large?
Unisex large. Okay. Cool.
I'll go medium.
Unisex medium.
Actually, we'll go
Large. All right. Nope, that's extra large. Large.
Thank you.
And then take a sticker.
We'll go extra
Extra
large.
large. Okay. That's double XL. That's extra large. Help yourself to one. No, only one. I only have so many. Look at this room. All right. Perfect. Unisex. All right. Cool. And then help yourself to a sticker. And it's a hard choice. All right. Cool. Extra large. Unisex. Okay. And then only one. Only one. I gotta get. I only have like 50 of them. So register to attend. Can you quickly check in? Cool. All right. Take one sticker. And a large. There you go. Awesome. Checked in. Take a sticker.
Do XL.
Unisex. All right. There you go. Hello. Hello. All right. Take a sticker and size and style.
Medium unisex.
Medium unisex. Got it.
Y'all are not staying for one of the average shops and have already checked in with MLH.
All right. And I'm gonna close that. Check in. All right. Cool. And then take a sticker and what size and style?
Small unisex.
Yep. Small unisex. Okay. All right. Take a sticker. And what size and style?
XL.
Unisex?
What's
It's unisex or women's?
oh unisex?
It's just the cut of it.
Yeah.
Slightly different. XL. Cool.
Thank you.
I don't know if we needed to show you this or if we needed to show you something else.
Click visit event. And then log in. Log into your account. You scroll down. If you already made an account, then
Yeah, I did make it.
sign in now. Log in and then show me that. Okay, cool. All right, a sticker and I know it's a hard choice. And what size and style?
Women's. What's the difference between the women's and the women's?
It's the cut. I think like the women's is more tapered and like this.
Yeah, I get women's small.
Women's small. All right, cool.
I'm gonna have to show you on my laptop. I have it on my laptop.
Okay, no worries. Only one. Only one. I got this whole line of people. I know it's a hard choice. You can only get one sticker because I have to give a sticker to everyone in here, and I don't want to run out.
Women's shirts also usually have shorter sleeves.
Yep. Yeah. All right. Perfect. Sticker and shirt and style, or size and style.
Unisex and what do you mean style?
Oh, sorry.
Medium and
Yeah.
unisex.
Yes. Yeah. There we go. Yeah. It's just they're different cuts. Yep.
Appreciate you, man.
I guess I didn't realize I had to show you the check-in thing.
Yeah.
I had my pass up,
No worries.
just making it take even longer for everybody else to find me.
All right. Cool. One sticker. And what size shirt?
2X.
2X. 2XL. There you go.
Thank you.
All right. Next.
Hold up, this is
Perfect. Grab a sticker and what size and style?
unisex large.
Unisex large. There you go. Perfect. I'm gonna close that out and then hit check-in. Cool. All right, a sticker and a shirt.
I got a sticker, but can I get a XL?
Yep. Unisex XL. Cool. Next.
Can I help you get them out?
Yeah.
Is it possible? What do you need me to do? Here,
I
got my check-in up already.
Let's see. How do we want to do this? We can move the line to like go out and then be back at my table.
Yeah, okay.
All right. All right, everybody, listen to me. So we're going to try to move out so that the next workshop can get started. So to do that, I'm going to move all of my stuff over to my table, and we're going to reform the line there. So kind of like conga line it so that way you all stay in like the same relative.
If you want to not move, I will direct you exactly that way. So if you
Cool.
want to start,
I'll move
you
to my
guys
table.
snake around and follow it in the same order that you are.
Yep.
So this is going to come down, shift all the way
Yeah.
over here so you're at the table.
And let me take off my microphone.
Line out of here exactly like that.
All right, cool.